In this video, you will learn how contactless adoption is improving and how it's impacting retail payments here in the US. So just a quick reminder about something we've covered before on this channel, that outside of the US, 60% of all face-to-face retail payments are done with touchless NFC-enabled devices. While here in the US, in 2018, 0.18%, yes, that's 18 out of 10,000 transactions were done with Tap to Pay. What on earth is going on? Hey Chargent fans, we have assembled the top 10 ways that we think you can improve your payments today. To get this valuable resource, just go in the description of this video and click the link. Right now, we're in the depths of the coronavirus pandemic, and contactless adoption is finally accelerating very quickly here in the United States. According to data from Visa, 31 million Americans tapped a card or used a mobile device for payment in March of 2020. That's nearly 50% higher than had done so 6 months earlier. During the first quarter of 2020, as the global pandemic worsened, Mastercard reported a 40% jump in contactless payments. That's crazy phenomenal growth, practically unheard of. A survey of American consumers in April of 2020 showed that they were 16% less likely to pay with cash, which is hardly surprising considering that peer-reviewed scientific studies have shown that cash carries germs. As retailers, we all need to be thinking about meeting our customers where they are. As that survey indicates, your customers don't want to handle cash, and they do want to get in and out of your store quickly without touching terminals or cash. In my opinion, this makes Tap to Pay a requirement of doing business today. So just a quick point on security. You might know that there are some folks that think there may be a security issue with contactless. Well, allow me to belay those fears for you. The NFC signal is encrypted with bank-level encryption, so that signal, it can't be easily read by an outsider. And with the very short distance that it takes for NFC to work, the reality is that a monkey-in-the-middle type attack, it's very unlikely. And finally, there are safeguards to prevent things like double billing. So security, it's actually better with NFC than it is with the classic mag stripe. And it's on par with the EMV chip. If you learned something today, subscribe to this channel. If you're a retailer that would like help with your contactless payments, you can find my contact details in the description of this video. Get in touch with me today. As you know, at Chargent, we are always here to help.